Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Polaroid-style pictures in Canva. This is useful if you want to create printable Polaroid photos, photo collages, scrapbook designs, or aesthetic picture layouts. First, open your browser and go to Canva. Sign into your account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. Change the measurement unit to inches. For an A4 landscape page, set the width to 11.69 inches and the height to 8.27 inches. Then click Create New Design. Once the Canva editor opens, we're going to create the Polaroid frame. Press the R key on your keyboard to quickly add a rectangle. Select the rectangle and open Position. Under the size settings, set the width to around 2.13 inches and the height to around 3.4 inches. You can adjust these measurements later if you want your Polaroids to be larger or smaller. Move the rectangle toward the top left area of the page. Next, we need to add a frame for the photo. Click Elements on the left side. Search for Frame. Choose a simple rectangular photo frame and add it to your design. Select the frame and resize it so it fits inside the white rectangle. For example, you can set the width to around 1.8 inches and the height to around 2.5 inches. Position the photo frame toward the top of the rectangle and leave a larger white space at the bottom. This will give it the classic Polaroid look. Now select the background rectangle. Change its color to white. If you want the Polaroid to stand out more, you can also add a thin border around the rectangle. Once you're happy with the design, place the photo frame neatly inside the white rectangle. Select both the rectangle and the photo frame, then click Group. Now the entire Polaroid frame will move as one object. To create more Polaroids, select the group and press Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac. Duplicate it as many times as you need. Arrange all of the Polaroid frames across your A4 page. Now it's time to add your photos. You can either use images from Canva or upload your own. To upload your own photos, click Uploads on the left side and upload the images from your computer. Once your photos are uploaded, simply drag each image directly onto one of the photo frames. Canva will automatically place the image inside the frame. You can double-click the image if you want to reposition or crop it. Continue adding your photos until all of the Polaroid frames are filled. Once everything looks good, click Share in the top right corner. Then select Download. If you're saving the design digitally, you can choose PNG. If you're planning to print the Polaroids, PDF print is usually the better option. Select your preferred format and click Download. Your Polaroid picture sheet is now ready to save or print. And that's how to create Polaroid-style pictures in Canva. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.